Welcome to the Bug MD family. Today, we're going to show you how to set up and use essential pest control to get rid of pests in your home. This plant-powered formula eliminates over 40 different types of indoor bugs by contact. We'll show you how to get it working in just under 2 minutes. To get started, you'll need the reusable spray bottle and one of the concentrate bottles from your kit. The magic is in the mix. Simply fill the spray bottle with 27 ounces of cold water, then add the entire bottle of essential pest control concentrate. Give it a good shake to make sure the solution is fully mixed. Now, let's get to work. When you see pests, spray them directly for the best results. Remember to get them wet with the spray. For effective results, focus on the areas where these pests are most likely to be found. For ants, spray directly on ant trails and check the most common entry points like door frames and windows. For roaches, target under appliances and inside cabinets closer to dinner time, as they are most active at night. For bed bugs, check and spray mattress seams, box springs, and bed frames. Don't forget to check less obvious spots like nightstands and even electrical outlets. For spiders, focus on corners, closets, and basements, where they are likely to hang out and you are less likely to frequently check. The key is to be thorough in treating all these areas. To break the pest life cycle, consistency is everything. For heavy infestations, keep spraying your problem areas every 2 to 3 days. You should see a significant drop in pest activity by then. After that, switch to using it once a week for maintenance and keep your home pest-free. You can expect to see pests eliminated pretty quickly. However, some pests may be more resistant than others. If you're still seeing activity, a consistent spraying schedule is the key to get rid of your pest problem for good. If you have any questions or need more tips on how to use your spray, visit our website for more tips or contact our support team. It's that simple. Get started today and reclaim your home from pests.